Bree the Coupon Queen, and I wanted to post a quick video for you guys of a great Dollar General scenario for the gain $5 off 20, combining it with the Saturday only deal of $5 off 25. So this is the best scenario that I found. Your out of pocket is going to be as low as $4.40 plus tax for 7 items, which makes each item about 63 cents plus tax, which is awesome. So let's dive into the deal. I couldn't find the Downy Wrinkle Guard, so I'll do the deal with it and without it in case your store doesn't carry it, because mine, the store I went to did not carry it for me to be able to show you in the video. So I'll let you know of a different scenario because not all stores carry it yet. It is a newer item. So let's dive into the deal. Okay, so for that first item, the Downy Wrinkle Guard, if your store has it, it's $4.50. You're going to use a $2 digital, so make sure you send that to your card, and that'll make that final cost $2.50. Now, if you do not have that in your store, you can switch it out for the Gillette Sensor 3-count razors. They are $5, and there's a $3 digital, so that makes it for a great deal as well. So whichever one you want to get is fine. And let's look at the different items that you're going to be getting. So if you're doing it with the Downy Wrinkle Guard, your total out of pocket or your total price is going to be $25.40 before coupons. So for the Saturday deal, it has to be above $25. So if you wind up at $24.99, that will not come off. So make sure your total is above $25. And it is in this scenario, it's $25.40. And make sure $20+ of that is gain or gain scented items. That way the $5 off 20 gain coupon will come off as well. So for this scenario, it's going to be $20.90. So make sure you guys are watching that. Pricing per store can vary. So just make sure you guys are totaling up yours yourself as well. Make sure it's above that $25 mark. So your 5 off 25 is going to come off. Your 5 off 20 will come off. Then with the Downy Wrinkle Guard scenario, $11 in coupons come off. These are all the coupons that you're going to need. $2 for the Gain fabric softener, $2 for the Gain detergent, $1 off 2 for the Gain dish soap, $2 digital for the Swiffer wet refill, $2 digital for the Swiffer duster kit, and then the $2 digital for the Downy Wrinkle Guard. So after all the coupons come off, the final price is going to be $4.40 plus tax for 7 items, which makes each item just 63 cents plus tax, which is amazing. Now, if you don't have the Downy Wrinkle Guard and you want to switch it for the Gillette razors, the Gillette razors are $5. So your total is going to come to $25.90. Your 5 off 25 will come off. The 5 off 20 will come off for the gain. Total coupons is going to be $12. So your final price should be about $3.90 plus tax for 7 items, or a little less than 63 cents per item. So they're both super, super hot deals. If you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you guys drop a comment. And if you guys are looking for a channel that's going to help you guys with savings, where the best deals are, things of that nature, make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys will be notified when I post a new video. I do try to post as many videos as I can. Still trying to work out a tech issue with getting the videos to upload, but I think I figured it out, so we should be good to go on that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.